Hi guys, it's Karen with Thrive Life with Karen. I just thought I'd go live for a few minutes and just show you. This is one of my last meals that I'm making for my 72-hour kit. This is chicken, rice, and veggies. So all I'm going to have to do is add water and it'll be a really nice tasty rice recipe. I did put it on the Thrive Facebook page. I don't know if you can see it there, but that's what it looks like. It's very flavorful rice. So it was really tricky trying to come up with recipes that I thought my whole family would like for the 72-hour kit, because I have some little boys who are very picky. So it took me a while. So I'm almost in my 72-hour kit, finishing the last meals. So I thought I would make one of these with you guys. So I have here some instant rice. I have some instant milk, chopped chicken, chopped onions, chopped chicken, and I have green peas. Now I have freeze-dried carrots. These are from a church cannery, but you can get dried carrots from Thrive as well. I'm also putting in green onions and parsley and basil, which you can get from Thrive, some turmeric, salt and pepper, some chicken soup base. This is just from Costco that I put in a jar, but you can also get it from Thrive. But we use what we have first, right? So this is what I had. Garlic powder. So these are all the ingredients that are going to be going in to this recipe. And it's really tasty, so give it a try. Now these recipes are a little bit big, so if you have two little kids, it could feed both of them or one big person. So let's just get started here. So the first thing on my recipe is a 1/3 cup of instant rice. So now I just made this pouch with my food saver, and I'll show you how I seal it afterwards. You can cut these to the size that you want, but just grab a 1/3 of a cup and you just throw it in there. And then I need a 1/4 cup of chicken. This is the chopped chicken. They also have chicken, little chicken slices as well, but I'm using the chopped chicken today. And then 1/8 of a cup of peas. Look at those peas. These are even so yummy just to snack on. They're really nice. And 1/8 of a cup of my carrots. Oh, so I get a little more in there. Okay. And now these ones are not freeze-dried, they're dehydrated. Okay, and then I need a teaspoon of onions. Now these are freeze-dried onions. You can also get dehydrated onions from Thrive as well. And they both work, in my opinion, pretty much the same. Okay, and then we need a teaspoon of green onions. I don't know if everyone puts green onions in with regular onions, but I thought it worked really well with this recipe. And then we need a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Put that in. Okay, let's get some garlic powder. Oh, no, first we need some instant milk. And we need 1/2 teaspoon. So I just kind of came up with this recipe. I kind of had some other recipes in mind and mixed and matched and tried to find something that I thought would work for one serving, and it actually worked out really well. I was very pleased with that. Okay, so we have the instant milk. Now the garlic powder is 1/8 of a teaspoon. So, you know, how many times have you just wanted to cook for one? and you don't want to cook tons and tons and have lots of leftovers. This would be easy to just put in a little jar and have ready for you for a quick lunch or a quick supper and not have to worry about a big meal. So it doesn't have to be for a 72-hour kit. Okay, so let's get some turmeric. This will give the rice a lot of color and extra flavor, and it's really good for you. And salt and pepper. Now I just said a dash. Depends on what you like. Just put a few little twists in there. I like to use real sea salt. And then we need some parsley and basil. So, and I just said a little dash of those two, but I'll just use a little spoon here. I really enjoy these freeze-dried herbs. All right. So, yeah, I think I got everything. So maybe my bag's a little bit big, but that's okay. I need a little bit of a lip on here to seal it. Now it's going to be a little noisy, but I'm going to show you how to do that over here on my food saver. Okay, turn that on. And you gotta lay that in nice and straight. It's going to suck all the air out. And now it's just sealing it. So you can find this recipe. I can link it below, but it's on the Thrive website. There's a whole bunch of recipes there. So I just put it on there, so there aren't any reviews or anything yet, but go on the website and give me some stars if you like it and some comments. So this is my recipe. I'm now going to put these in with my 72-hour kits, and when we need them, we just have to add some water. If we have some heat, great, heat it up and it'll be delicious. So anyways, if you have any questions, just put some comments down below, and thank you very much for watching. Have a nice night.